In this video, I will show you how to highlight percentage range values in different colors in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have student percentages in the result column. Now I want to highlight the percentage values in different colors according to the ranges given in the E and F columns. For example, if the percentage value is greater than or equal to 70, it should be highlighted in dark green color. If it is greater than or equal to 70, then it should be highlighted in a light green color, and so on. I will use the Excel conditional formatting to do that. Select the range of the cells containing student percentages. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option, and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. Let's create the first rule to highlight the value in dark green color if the value is greater than or equal to 70. I will use this formula that checks if the first cell in the range, cell C3, is greater than or equal to 70. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the percentage values. I am going to choose the dark green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the percentage values greater than or equal to 70 are now highlighted with the dark green color. I will create the second and third rules to apply light green and light yellow highlighting in the same way. The only difference is in the formula. Instead of 70, I will check if the first cell, cell C3, is greater than or equal to 60 and 50 this time. Additionally, I will choose the light green color for the second rule and light yellow color for the third rule. The rest of the settings remain the same. Now all the values greater than or equal to 50 are highlighted in the light yellow color. However, the values greater than or equal to 60 and 70 are also highlighted in yellow color instead of light green and dark green colors respectively. To fix this, I will select the percentage range again, click the conditional formatting option, and then select the Manage Rules menu item. It shows the list of 3 rules we defined earlier in the order of their importance. As we can see, the third rule, that is, if values are greater than or equal to 50, is at the top and has the highest importance of all 3. If 2 or more rules conflict with one another, the rule that is higher on the list is applied and the lower rules will be ignored. So, if the value is greater than or equal to 50, the first rule is applied while the second and third rules are ignored. To fix this, I will rearrange the order of the rules by selecting them using the up arrow icon so that the greater than or equal to 70 rule is first, the greater than or equal to 60 rule is second, and finally the greater than or equal to 50 rule is last. Click the OK button to close the Manage Rules dialog box. As you can see, we now have the correct highlight color according to the range of values. Finally, I will make the last rule for the percentage values that are less than 50. I will choose the light red color this time. Since we are checking for less than 50 values, it will not conflict with any other rules this time. As you can see, we now have all the values highlighted in different colors according to the percentage ranges. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.